Public Health inspects pools to assure that no injury or illness happens when the public attempts to go for a swim in the pool or a spa. The type of injuries that can occur are anything from tripping on a pool deck and scratching your knee to death and drowning in a swimming pool. Any illnesses could be anything from a skin rash or an ear infection to gastrointestinal illness. Public Health physically inspects a pool by taking water samples and testing the water chemistry when they're there, by doing a walk around to see that there's no tripping hazards or any other type of hazards that could injure a bather going in and out of a public pool or spa. We also look to make sure that the safety equipment is appropriate and in good condition so that if need to be used, it's accessible. We make sure the first aid kit is fully stocked, and we make sure that all the mechanical requirements are working as they should. There are 3 classifications of pools that we do inspect. There's Class A pools, which are pools that the public are allowed to attend, such as Boys and Girls Club and the YMCA. Class B pools would be a hotel pool or an apartment building pool. And a Class C would be a wading pool or a splash pad. And we inspect all 3. So for our Class A and our Class B pools, we inspect them every 3 months while they're operating. Obviously, seasonal pools, it's once before they open in the summer and then once throughout the summer. Our Class C facilities, such as our wading pools and splash pads, generally get 1 inspection per year in the summer season. Some of the common bacteria that you may find in the pool that can grow if the water chemistry isn't appropriate, a big bug called Pseudomonas aeruginosa, and that bug is something that's always on your skin, and then when it goes into the water, if you don't have the right sanitizer, it will start to grow, and that is the one bacteria that can cause a rash and what's commonly known as swimmer's ear and ear infections. So if a pool or spa, if any of our recreational facilities do not pass an inspection, they can be closed depending on the severity of the infraction, or we work with them to get them into compliance.